Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MD Tex interior, panorama sunroof. On back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats. This one does come with a natural grain brown ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 9,536 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.